Hello everyone, welcome to Classmate Academy. Today we are going to start with triangles. First we will see very basics. In that, first we will see types of triangles. We can study triangles in two kinds. That is, first one based on triangles based on sides, and second one is based on angles. Okay, based on sides we have three types of triangles. First one is equilateral triangle, second one is isosceles triangle, third one is scalene triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle means all the three sides of the triangle should be equal. That means length of all the three sides of the triangle should be equal. Suppose let us take a triangle. If this is an equilateral triangle, this side length should be equal to this side length, also equal to this side length. Means all the three sides, length of all the three sides should be equal, and the angle between the sides should be equal to 60 degrees. Okay, all the three angles are 60 degrees, so that sum of all three angles should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this is equilateral triangle. Now isosceles triangle means any two sides of the triangle should be equal, and scalene triangle means length of all the three sides should be different and all the three angles should be different. Okay, based on angles we have three kinds of triangles. First one is acute angle triangle, second one is obtuse angle triangle, third one is right angled triangle. Okay, acute angle triangle means all the three angles should be less than 90 degrees. Okay, that means, for example, let us take an equilateral triangle. All the three angles are equal to 60 degrees, all the three angles are less than 90 degrees, so that we can tell that equilateral triangle is an acute angle triangle. Okay, like that. Obtuse angle triangle means one angle should be greater than 90 degrees. We cannot form a triangle with two angles greater than 90 degrees. We can only form a triangle with one angle greater than 90 degrees. That is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, and right angle triangle means one angle should be equal to 90 degrees. Okay, one angle should be equal to 90 degrees, so that sum of other two angles should be equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now we will see similarity. That means how we can tell two triangles are similar, like that, and congruency. Okay, come to similarity. If we want to tell two triangles are similar, the angles in the first triangle should be equal to angles in the second triangle. Okay, let us take two triangles. In similarity, size doesn't matter. Size of first triangle and size of second triangle doesn't matter. Only the angle should be equal and sides should be in the proportion. That means length of this side by length of this side, the ratio should be is equal to the ratio of length of these two sides. Okay, let us suppose this is triangle ABC, this is triangle PQR. Okay, if we have angles X, Y and Z, if we want to tell these two triangles are similar, the angles XYZ should be present in this triangle also. That means let us suppose this is X, this is Y and this is Z. Now we can tell that the angles are same. We can tell that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, this order also important, because angle A is equal to angle P. That means angle A is equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. We have to write this order only. Suppose let us take this is Z, this is Y. Now also we have XYZ in this triangle also. We can tell these two triangles are similar, but triangle ABC is similar to triangle not PQR here. This is PRQ. This order should be PRQ, because angle B is equal to angle Q. Sorry, angle R. Okay, angle B is equal to angle R, so that we have to write this order. Okay, now let us take this is Y, this is Z. If two triangles are similar, the sides should be in proportion. That means AB by PQ, this ratio should be equal to BC by QR, also equal to AC by PR, AC by PR. Okay. The side should be in proportion. Okay. Now, what about perimeter? Let us suppose this is first triangle, this is second triangle. Perimeter of first triangle by perimeter of second triangle. What are the sides ratios? Side AB by PQ, we will get some ratio. Perimeters also should be in that ratio only, because perimeter is sum of the sides. The perimeter also will be in this ratio only. That means perimeter of first triangle by second triangle is equal to AB by PQ. Okay. We can equate here, that is perimeter of first triangle by perimeter of second triangle. This ratio will be equal to the sides ratio. Okay. Now, what about areas? Area of first triangle by area of second triangle, this ratio should be equal to whatever the sides ratio we get, that whole square. That means AB by PQ whole square. Areas will be the ratio, sides ratio whole square, perimeter will be equal to the sides ratio. Okay. This is similarity. In congruency size matters. That means if we have two triangles, if we want to tell these two triangles are congruent, the length of, suppose this is ABC, this is PQR. If you want to tell triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, the length of AB should be equal to PQ, length of BC should be equal to QR, and length of AC should be equal to PR, and angles also should be equal. Okay. Now, that means AB by PQ, this should be equal. If these two triangles are congruent, AB by PQ will be equal to 1. That means sides ratio is 1 by 1. BC by QR is also 1 by 1, and AC by PR is also 1 by 1. So that we have AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. That means we can conclude that these two triangles are similar as well as congruent. That means if two triangles are congruent, we can tell that those two triangles are similar, but we cannot conclude that if two triangles are similar, we cannot conclude those two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now, to identify congruency, we have some methods. First one is side, side, side. That means three sides of first triangle is equal to three sides of second triangle. We can tell that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. And side, angle, side. Second one is side, angle, side. That means one side, two sides with angle between it. Means side, angle, side. Two sides with angle between it. If this values of these sides and angle is equal to values of these sides and this angle, we can tell that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. And third one is angle, side, angle. That means two angles with side between it. If we take these two angles with side between it, and these two sides with these two angles with side between it, the values of these two angles with side between it and values of these two angles with side between it, if these two values are equal, we can tell that these two triangles are congruent. And last one is RHS. This is for right angle triangles. Let us suppose we have two right angle triangles. If we want to tell these two right angle triangles are congruent to each other, R for right angle, there should be right angle in both, and hypotenuse length should be equal. This is hypotenuse. The length of this hypotenuse is equal to length of this hypotenuse, and one of the sides should be equal. That means let us take this side, length of these two sides are equal, means we can tell that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now, we will solve some problems related to similarity, because we won't get much problems related to congruency. Okay. First question is, in the following figure, DE is parallel to BC. Okay. In this diagram, DE is parallel to BC, and AD by DB equal to 3 by 5, AD by DB equal to 3 by 5 means AD is 3 parts, DB is 5 parts. Okay. AC equal to 4.8, length of AC is 4.8 centimeters, and okay, then AE will be AE, this length we want. Okay. Now DE is parallel to BC, that means we have two parallel lines. If we draw a line like this, we know that this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. Similarly, here also DE and BC are parallel lines. A line is drawn, we know that this angle is equal to this angle, that means angle B is equal to angle D. Similarly, angle E is equal to angle C, and angle A is common angle for triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Okay. Now here we have triangle ADE and triangle ABC. In this we have A is common angle and angle D equal to angle B, so these two are equal, and angle E equal to angle C, these two are equal. We have in these two triangles we have angles same, that means whatever the angles that are present in ADE, the same angles are present in triangle ABC. That means we can tell that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Now AD is 3 parts, DE is 5 parts. What about AB? This will be 3 plus 5, that is 8 parts. Okay. What will be sides ratio of these two triangles? That is AD by AB. That means AD is 3 parts, AB is 8 parts. So sides ratio is 3 by 8. Okay. What we want is AE, that means AE by AC. This we know, that is sides ratio AE by AC is equal to, sides ratio is equal to 3 by 8. AC is given as 4.8 centimeters, that means AE is equal to 3 by 8 into 4.8 centimeters. So this is 0.6 times 0.6 into 3, that is 1.8 centimeters. Okay. AE length is 1.8 centimeters. Our option is B. Okay. Now here we can tell that DE by BC is equal to 3 by 8, because the ratio of all the sides should be equal, means AD by AB is equal to DE by BC. Okay, like that. Next question, triangle ABC is such that AB equal to 3 centimeters, BC equal to 2 centimeters, CA equal to 2.5 centimeters. Okay, let us take triangle ABC is such that AB equal to 3 centimeters, BC equal to 2 centimeters, and AC equal to 2.5 centimeters. Now triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle DEF, this triangle is similar to triangle ABC. That means we have angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. We have to compare side AB with DE, side BC with EF, side AC with DF. Okay. If EF equal to 4 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters, then perimeter of triangle DEF is, we want perimeter of this triangle. Okay. Now what is sides ratio of these two triangles? Because these two triangles are similar, so sides ratio will be, we have to compare this side with this side, that means BC with EF. Sides ratio is BC by EF is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Sides ratio is 1 by 2. We have discussed that if we know the sides ratio, what is perimeter ratio of these two triangles? Perimeter ratio is also equal to the sides ratio. That means perimeter of first triangle, that is ABC, by perimeter of second triangle, that is DEF, will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Perimeter of first triangle we know, that is 3 plus 5 plus 2.5, that is 7.5. 7.5 by perimeter of second triangle is equal to 1 by 2. That means perimeter of second triangle is equal to 7.5 into 2, that is perimeter of second triangle is equal to 7.5 into 2 is 15 centimeters. Okay. We can do like this, or we can find the sides. Sides means sides are in the ratio 1:2. If this is 3, this will be 6 centimeters. If this is 2.5, this will be 5 centimeters. Sum of these 3 is 15 centimeters. We got like that. That means we can solve like this, or we can find sides and we can find the perimeter. Okay. Perimeter of DEF is 15 centimeters. Our option is B. Okay. Next question. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that BC equal to 3 centimeters, EF equal to 4 centimeters. Okay. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. These two triangles are similar, and BC equal to 3, EF equal to 4. BC equal to 3, EF equal to 4. We have to compare these two sides. Now, area of triangle ABC is 54. Area of this triangle is 54 centimeter square. Then the area of DEF is, we want the area of this triangle. Okay. What is sides ratio? These two triangles are similar. Sides ratio is BC by EF, that is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Sides ratio is 3 by 4. What will be areas ratio? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. This ratio will be square of this ratio. That means whatever the sides ratio, we have to square that, so that we will get areas ratio. That means 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 9 by 16. Areas will be in this ratio, 9 by 16. Area of triangle ABC is given, that is 54. We have to substitute triangle area of triangle ABC is 54, so that we will get area of triangle DEF. From this we can tell that area equal to 54 into 16 by 9. 54 into 16 by 9. This is 9 into 6. 16 into 6 is 96 centimeter square. Okay. Area of triangle DEF is 96 centimeter square. Our option is C. Okay. That's it for today. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.